Crypto is falling. Is this something to be worried about? Are we gonna keep on falling? Are we gonna crash from here? Are we just going back to normal? I wanna talk about it. This is gonna be a short video. Just wanted to give you an update because I think a lot of people are probably worried right now. A lot of people have been buying over the last week or so. Bitcoin's down. The question is, do you wanna wait to buy or hold, or do you wanna buy right now, right? We saw a little bit of a dip. If you don't mind, hit subscribe, turn that bell notification. In the middle of watching Harry Potter, we've been watching the whole series, watching it with the family, had to jump out for a second. So hit subscribe, turn that bell notification underneath the video to see future videos just like this one. So we're seeing a bit of a dip. Bitcoin fell down to about 40,500, depending on where you're looking at it. Now it's back around 42,000. We have altcoins falling. Now, a lot of people are getting worried, right? We haven't seen a dip like this in a little bit. We moved down $3,000 within a few minutes. Now, the reason for this is we had longs liquidated. Basically, had a lot of people that went on high leverage that got liquidated, and that forces the price down pretty quickly. Whenever you see price go like this and then fall down real quick on a chart, it's probably longs liquidated. Whenever you see the price go like this, it's either a big buy or it's shorts being liquidated or both. Now, is this something to be worried about long term? No, it's fine. This is what happens whenever you get people too far on one side or the other. And now we're starting to sort ourselves back out, right? We had almost 200 million worth of longs liquidated within a few minutes. That pushes down the price really quickly. Now, we are starting to move back up. We're around 42,000. Sometimes we can move back up, then move back down because people put on more longs, then they get liquidated again. If we move up very quickly, we'll get shorts liquidated as well. I actually put on a long after we fell down when we started to move back up, around 41.5. Totally realizing it's risky, but at 42,000, I'm up 30% already. It's down on Margex. I have links to Margex underneath the video. Now, though that is part of the reason that we got to 41,000 in the first place is we had longs liquidated that were on too high a leverage that didn't buy in at the right time. And that's just something you have to deal with if you are on leverage. Now, long term, if you're just buying spot, this doesn't matter, right? It doesn't matter at all. If anything, it's a little bit of a buying opportunity. When we see dips in bull markets, they're meant for buying. Now, we had 8 weeks of green as well, so it's bound to happen that we have some red. And I've said this before, if we retest 40, if we retest even 38 and then move back up, it's bullish. It's bullish. And the fact is nothing has changed, right? We're just seeing a little bit of price action. This is normal. If anything, it's healthy. If anything, it's good news, right? You can buy in at a little bit of a dip. It's healthy so that we don't see as big a pullback, right? Imagine we go from 30,000 up to 80,000 within 2 months or something like that. You're going to see big dips. You're going to see people buy at 80 and then we'll fall back down to 50, for example. We don't want that. We want slow and steady, big move up, a little bit of a correction, some consolidation, big move up, consolidation, a little bit of a dip, that kind of thing, back and forth. That is what we want as holders that are looking at not just the next 2 weeks. We're looking at the next 2 years. Let me know your thoughts underneath the video though. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. If you want to support the channel, there are links in case you do want to leverage, which I realize is an interesting thing to say when we just got long liquidations. But the fact is that is a time where a lot of people do like to take advantage of that dip because you can make a nice return if you buy it at the right time on the way back up. You can also short the market as well, which some people do. So definitely check those out. Also, thanks just for being part of the channel. I appreciate it. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.